Another rainy day craving na naman tayo. This time, gawa tayo ng crab and corn soup. Isa sa mga pinakamasarap na crab and corn soup na natikman ko ay yung sa crabs and crack. And today, subukan natin gayahin. We'll start by sauteing garlic, onion, and chives. I decided to add a little bit of ginger. Tapos may nag-iisang malungkot na crab sa freezer, so ilagay na rin natin yan. Add natin yung whole kernel corns from relish. And then, meron akong seafood stock. Yan yung pinakuluan ng mga ulo ng hipon. Next, mag-add tayo ng cream of corn. Ito yung magiging thickener ng soup. Kasi hindi ako masyadong fan ng slurry, pero kung mas prefer mo yun, okay lang. Paglagay tayo ng seaweed for extra umami and then season with salt and pepper. And then, ilalagay na natin yung imitation crab meat. You'll notice na kalahati lang yung chinap ko para meron ding full pieces of crab meat sa soup. For extra fragrance, mag-add tayo ng siling haba and more chives. And lastly, we'll be mixing in some scrambled eggs. Ganun lang kadali and we're ready to serve. Kayo, ano ba yung mga rainy day cravings nyo? I-comment nyo naman para maluto rin natin sa ibang araw. Pero in the meantime, tara, kain tayo.